To add a new product, go to the Products section, then click the Create Product button at the top. A form for creating a new product will open in front of you, divided into several sections. First, you need to fill in the basic product information, such as the product name, ID, or SKU. To organize your products more easily, it is useful to add a product type. If the required type does not exist yet, you will need to create it first by clicking the Create button. Next time, the type you created will already be available for selection. The next setting is Usage Units. By default, it is set to Whole Unit. Choose this option if you will use the product in the same package or unit it is delivered by the supplier. For example, if a supplier delivers 1 pack of toilet paper, you record it as 1 pack in the system. Later, you use it as a full pack, not by individual rolls. But if you plan to track each roll separately and issue them one by one, select pieces as the usage units. In that case, set the receiving quantity based on the number of rolls in each pack. For a more detailed explanation of item-by-item usage, watch the short training video, Usage Units, and Partial Usage. Now let's look at the basic case using Whole Unit. Next, you need to fill out the Supplier Purchase Options section. Here, you tell the system which supplier you will purchase this product from, enter the price, and optionally add a link to the product. If you do not have any suppliers yet, create a new one. At minimum, you need to enter the supplier name and type. You can also add additional contact information if needed. After the supplier is created, it will be added to the list automatically. Next, select the package type provided by the supplier and enter the price per package. The product URL is optional. Add it only if you want to store a link to the product. The next important section is Warehouse Location Management. Here you can set where the product will be stored, such as the location, rack, shelf, or specific storage spot. You can also set the PAR level, which is the minimum required quantity. When the stock drops below this level, the system will mark the product as needing to be reordered. If you do not set a PAR level, the product will still be added, but you will only see it in the Not Tracked section. For more details, watch the product table video. It is also useful to add a product image so you can identify it more easily in the list. Finally, you can add a QR code or barcode, so later you can search for this product in the system using a scanner or a mobile camera. To add it, scan the product with a scanner, use your mobile camera, or simply enter the code manually. Once the form is fully completed, all you need to do is save it. After that, the product record will be added to the table immediately. Once the form is fully completed, all you need to do is save it. The product record will be added to the table immediately, and you can either start ordering it or continue adding more products.